Hey beautiful viewers, how are you doing today? So look, whenever I press Windows plus Shift plus S for a screenshot, it keeps opening the older snipping tool, which just looks so basic these days, right? Now, I'm mentioning this because here's the thing. As a gamer, or when you're scrolling through stuff, sometimes you spot something in an image that you want to copy, but it's hard because, point number one, it's in an image, and point number two, let's say it's in Chinese or Japanese, then we're totally stuck there. By the way, I use this mostly in games when we find someone's name in Chinese or Japanese characters. So I take a screenshot with the snipping tool, and then I can do whatever I want with it because now it's in my clipboard. So how do we fix that? Honestly, I set it up by mistake, but reverting it is way easier, trust me. First thing you do is press Windows plus I to open Windows settings. Then go into the app section. My bad, not personalization, but app. Okay, so installed apps. Now search for Snipping Tool and then click on those three dots. It will open a drop-down menu. Go into Advanced Options. Scroll down a little bit and click on Repair and Reset. Oh my god, I forgot to breathe. This will reset it, and now on the top you'll see the option Set Default Apps. Click on that. Now look for the Set Defaults for Application search bar and click into that search bar. Type Snipping Tool and you'll get two options, Screen Snipping and Snipping Tool. Basically, we need to set the snipping tool based on your preference. I mean, whichever one you like the most. Pick the one that feels right to you. And that's it. It's really that simple. After that, when you press Windows plus Shift plus S, it will open the snipping tool that you just set up. That's literally all you need to do. It's super useful for gamers and productive users, and honestly, I hope you love this tutorial. If you do, go ahead and subscribe to Explodey FPS. It's Saira here, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.